Okay. Hey fam, today Shreya and I are having a day out, so come along. This is the outfit. Borrowed my sissy's heels. Nobody tell her. Let's go. We are almost.
Oh my god, it looks so ugly.
We have to go and do some changes to. Nobody except us are here.
Oh my god, no one is there.
Like no one. Not a hostess.
Show.
Not a chef. Like. Are you kidding me? Thought we were the only ones there.
No one was there. Did
But-
you show that?
Yeah, but turns out it's here. I don't think there's anybody here also. It's way past lunchtime.
I really hope no one is there so that only we can chill.
Yeah.
So
It'll be
it'll
good
be
to shoot
comfortable
also,
also,
yeah. But yeah. Everything looks so. Is this a dried lemon?
I think so.
I'll drink first.
It's good?
I don't love it, I don't hate it. It's tasteless. Ooh, let's go. That's good.
It's not come. Okay. And now it's good.
How's it?
Let's
With or
try
without
more.
mayo?
With them. Should have been fun with them.
Thank you. It slaps. Flavor is so spot on.
This is really good.
We both are so hungry.
The food is really good, but
The quantity is
the quantity is very good.
And it's almost 4 o'clock. We both didn't have our lunch. We both are so hungry. Okay,
Mine if you
Shreya's
want.
phone has given up, so we're shooting on my
This
shit-ass
iPhone things.
Android. This is Android things. Look at the quality.
But at least storage is fine.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to sleep with their boss?
3, 2, 1. Neither.
Neither, no? I think
I mean, I would.
if he's
but-
really hot, see, I'd
Yeah.
love to.
You
I
know,
like
the
that.
businessman
Yeah, business.
kind of
Because we read a lot of
thing,
fan
yeah,
fictions,
maybe.
we really have that thing, but not in real life, I think.
It's good hypothetically, but yeah.
Most likely to wake up in a stranger's bed.
3, 2, 1.
Who's most likely to read spicy romance books?
3, 2, 1.
Both of us, we love
We've done it.
spicy romance books. Yeah.
We'll admit it, we've done it. We've read much.
Too many. Okay. Who's most likely to try a role play in the bedroom?
3, 2, 1.
I think
Why
so
wouldn't
too.
you though?
I
Like,
would,
I think
but-
everyone should.
yeah,
everyone
everyone
would.
has. I have.
I'm talking like I've got experience, never dated a single man. But hypothetically, I would.
Huh.
I have a list actually, so.
I have kings. I don't know about. See, I'd love to imagine it and stuff. I don't know if I will play.
You're up for it, yeah.
I'm too like, how do I say it?
Shy?
Not shy. I don't know, man. I'm too like, you can't demand me. kind.
Oh.
But at the same
No,
time,
I would make him do it. So it's like, I am making
that
them
will
do
be
it.
good.
So,
But at the-
these are not even nowhere related to us,
Yeah.
bro. Like, we've never
I think
done
we're too innocent for this shit.
We're way too innocent.
Who's most likely to take a shower selfie?
3, 2, 1.
This is nice. Who's most likely to accidentally expose themselves?
3, 2, 1. Why do all these things point to
Point to
me?
you, yeah.
Like I've never done it, but I just know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a very good
accidentally,
chance. Yeah.
accidentally she might like expose. Who's most likely to have a secret affair?
3, 2, 1. But I can never picture you like that. I only see you as a
you've
innocent.
seen me being like too.
Do you know Charlotte, right, from Sex and the City?
Yeah.
I see you like that.
Oh,
I really do. I see her like Charlotte,
Yeah.
like the goody two shoes and all.
Usually, I've been Charlotte until now. I can become Samantha
Any day.
Any day.
Any day.
Likely to text something flirty after just one drink.
3, 2, 1.
I think both. I would flirt. I flirt too.
I did.
Oh, you
I
did?
mean, I
Yeah.
hate to
technically.
admit it. I want to see Shreya tipsy. I can't
You
tell
can't
until I
see me
see her.
drinking. That is the thing.
Yeah.
Who's more likely to make out with a co-worker?
3, 2, 1, me.
You?
I
You
mean,
think so?
It depends if they look good.
Who's most likely to try a long distance spicy video call?
3, 2, 1, not.
Not me too. We can't do long distance. We can't do
Forget
in
about
real
long,
life only.
exactly. Forget about long distance. We can't even do relationship.
Most likely to have a hidden tattoo in a spicy place.
3, 2, 1.
I think
Oh.
both of us too.
Yeah.
We have spoken about this. We like. You said you like the collarbone.
Yeah, I like collarbone and I want to get a piercing. Navel
Even I
piercing.
had that thing, and then later on I changed to maybe
below your
chest part.
Who's likely to sort their way out of a speeding ticket,
Speeding ticket.
like getting caught by the police. Like,
Yeah, Ashita.
I'd like to see her. We're missing her today, but yeah. Food was so bad, and they have the audacity to ask us for feedback. Like, the food was really bad.
Oh, bad man. Like,
Oh, except chili chicken, everything else was
even the chili chicken
tasteless.
after it was,
I know.
it became cold.
I think the only thing that I liked today was Coke.
I didn't want to take risk and order Diet Coke too. I was
Yeah.
like, even the Coke, yeah, the aftertaste, like, in the
It was
end, it
bitter.
was like bitter.
Now on to ice cream. Let's go.
Let's go.
You know what's funny? We never talk about men
Yeah.
or rant about it. She knows what I'm talking about. We never make
We don't have
them.
men in life, so we don't.
We don't give them too much power. Yeah, Uno reverse bitch.
Who are they?
Exactly.
People like, we don't want
We are not
patriarchy
misandrous.
also.
Yeah, we are just asking for equality.
We are not, yeah, equality, yeah. For any gender, for that matter. LGBT,
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Any gender. It was so peaceful today, no?